Maambon na umaga mga boss. Ito, padyak ulit. Kahapon wala tayo kasi namalingki muna. Namahan ko muna si Commander malingke. Kaya kargador muna tayo kahapon. Kaya tara na mga boss, gising, bangon, at magpapawis tayo. Let's go! At syempre, mga boss, huwag tayo makakalimot na humingi ng gabay, patnubay sa ating Panginoon. Sir, morning. Zone 2 na mga boss. Medyo lumiliwanag na ang langit. Sana mawala na yung ulap para tuloy-tuloy yung papawis natin sa araw na ito mga boss. Grabe sasakyan ngayon na, Hebes ngayon mga boss, ang daming sasakyan. Alam dumami at yung e-bike. Hindi pa naman pinagbawalan yung e-bike. In-extend daw hanggang January. Mariam. Hindi pa naman yan. Hindi umambun dito ah. Ahon ulit tayo dito sa tulay mga boss. Hindi ako dediretso doon sa dulo. Sa Wood Creek 5 lang. Ito yung 7 kilometer. 7.35 kilometers. Ito, sabi dito. Morning! Thirty na pala.
We're unstoppable, we belong. With every tear, we've learned to fly. Together we rise, we'll touch the sky.
Ulit tayo dito sa tulay. Pabalik naman.
Together we rise, we're breaking the chain. Through every struggle, we'll feel no pain. Yeah, we got each other.
Ayan, oh. Sanay.
We've been through the storm, now we're here. Fighting through the doubt, we have no fear. Hands held
Ayun, maliwanag dito. Kaya lang, against the light. Camera natin.
planned. The world's been cold, but we're on fire.
Yun, no? Malinis na. Kinuha na yung mga tambak na lupa. Tinatag na talaga
Together we rise,
sa gilid.
breaking the chain.
Ano kaya gagawin nila?
We'll feel no pain.
Tapos yung para sa yung poste, para sa bakod, hindi na nadagdagan. Hanggang dito lang yata. Ayun.
Our name. The road was tough, but we kept the pace. With every step, we've won the race. Through the darkness, we found the light. We'll keep shining. We'll keep the fight. The world's been cold, but we're on fire. Rising up, taking us higher. We won't break, we won't fall. We'll keep going through it all. Together we rise, we're breaking the chain. Through every struggle, we'll feel no pain. We've got each other, we'll never be the same. Together we rise, we'll make our name.
Hindi ako nakatawid doon sa Pascam. Kaya dumiretso na ako. Dito na ako pumasok.
Apart, we stay strong,
Tinatamad naman ako magmalagasang.
unstoppable.
Okay na to rin.
We belong. With every tear, we've learned to fly. Together we rise, we'll touch the sky.
Yun mga boss, dito ko na tatapusin ang video ko. Salamat lagi sa panonood. I'll see you in the next one.
Together we rise.
Bye!